me, Isatis, and welcome back to my channel. So, NCOV, right? This thing has been around for a while, but it's gotten a lot bigger. I got a pimple and I bursted it, and it really hurts. And I'm starting to freak out. And so, while I don't go out a lot, so it's not really a problem. Like, I am, for the most part, safe. But I also live in a very commercialized area, so this building has a lot of Airbnb guests and whatnot. So I kind of figured, manglimpyo ta, and you're going to watch me clean. This is my life now, just at home, working on the computer, shooting videos, or cleaning. I might do the groceries with Jasper and Roel. I'm not sure about that yet. But for the most part, we are going to clean. So this is a cleaning vlog. Enjoy it, guys, because this is all you're getting from me right now. This is my life now, just at home, working on the computer, shooting videos, or cleaning. Such a mom. Okay, guys, so nag-ilis ko kay realize ko nag-outfit ko because I was supposed to go out but papay sure. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my house. The first thing that I like to do is start with a room. Then, gawas din ko dito sa kitchen, and then sa muang living room. So the first thing that I do is obviously dust everything, but the next thing that I do is I vacuum, and I really wanted to show you guys my vacuum because it is so amazing. So muna siya akong vacuum, guys, and gamit kayo siya because it is handheld, and I'll show you how I use it handheld, but it's also a vacuum like that. So it's pretty amazing, like gamit kayo siya. The Dyson brand is like 30, 50,000, but this one, mine is only like 6,500, and ako siyang nakuha sa SNR. Paulo got it for me for Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love it. Wireless siya or cordless siya, so I can just vacuum without any problem. I think ang downside ani niya is you can only actually vacuum at the highest speed for about like 45 minutes. Okay, kwaon gud ay ko nila. So madayon gud ay mi. So unya na lang kung padayon. Okay, see ya.
Buying groceries. Hey, Jas.
Hi! Hi, Isa Vlog.
Charot.
May pang-vlog ka ganina ay.
Hi, guys. Okay, so I completely forgot to close that vlog, but I know you guys are wondering what was I doing hanging out with Medyo Maldito, Jasper, Amorin, and James Ukat. Well, Jasper posted a video on his Instagram asking who had an SNR ID because they needed to do groceries, and I said yes because I had to do groceries anyway, so that's how we ended up hanging out together. I didn't vlog it because I didn't want them to feel like it's not the first time we hung out, but I didn't really ask for their permission, and I didn't want them to feel like, oh, this is a working day, because technically when you vlog, it is a working day. But if you want more videos of us together, let me know, because I'll try to make it happen.
It is a Friday, I think. You know, when you're always stuck at home, you really don't know what day it is anymore. And I've been stuck inside our house for like days, guys. I kind of wanted to take you guys on like a day in the life of me, or how our lives have been since this whole NCOV thing. It's a real thing. Honestly, if I'm being completely honest with you, our lives haven't changed that much because me and Paulo are homebodies. Like, we don't go out a lot. If anything, we just, I don't know, I think I've just been staying home a lot more often because I've stopped going to events and stuff like that, or there aren't any events to go to, honestly. So it's been really challenging, but today we're going out to have lunch at Doris Diner. It's an unlimited seafood place. And honestly, I don't really want to go out, but my mom is leaving for the States, or honestly, we don't know if she can leave for the States. As in, what give me kibaw, guys. It feels like this whole thing feels like you're stuck in a twilight zone where you don't really know what's going on. All you read is stuff on the news and it's scaring you, but when you go out, it's like people are also saying if you just stay like healthy and clean, then you're safe. I don't really know, but for the most part, I'm trying to do, and my husband is trying, and my whole family is trying to do the precautionary measures. We take our vitamins, we stay clean, we stay healthy. Oh yeah, and then our friends are coming over, and then we're gonna mix drinks, we're gonna mix sours and just drink. And there's Cody, we're taking him out to do his business. And then my husband, with the shoes and everything. Oh, go for you. Okay, guys, we're here. We are at Doris Diner. It's my second time here. It's right beside Rico's Luncheon. Social distancing, Mom. We're not supposed to touch each other. Hi. Mom's like, coronavirus in his hi, Lord. Hi, Cal.
We got alcohol.
I have alcohol. So there, it's really good. And they have sabaw. I don't know what that is. And this is also really good. And this one was so freaking good. So wala kayo tao because like nobody wants to go out because they're scared. No, nag-duty pag yung ka. Unsa ka muna nimo kay kanahadlok? Up so really. Well, I'm scared to be around you. But you should tell them though. Huh? So this is what I got. Manila, calamares. And I got an entire bowl of the carbonara. The carbonara is so good, guys. We are gonna eat now. So we just came back from lunch. Lami kayo, busog kay ko, giduka ko. But also like, I was kind of in a hurry for it to be done. Because just being around so many people was really, it was hard. Like, and also the only thing that anyone and everyone can actually really talk about is the situation. So being in public, talking about it in public, really does make you scared. So I was ready to go home. Look, so this is what they're doing now at our building. They're taking our thermos. I actually really like that because at least like we feel better because there's a lot of Airbnbs here. Sige kuya, tag po akong temperature na. Sunod ako na sa takes it. Temperature. Ulit. 36.7. Ako na sa di mo. Ito na joke kami ito. Okay na ba ito kuya? Joke kami ito. Showing Richie my new logo for by Hannah, and that's it. And we're asking him, what do you see? And he said,
Hands groping boobs with eyes that are actually nipples, I think. If someone's hands are like this on someone's boob, chances are they're groping them. That's my guess.
But if the hands are groping them, then the nipples shouldn't be showing.
Unless you're groping them like this with slightly in between holes. Just enough for the nipples. So I guess that's kind of how that works.
that's a very interesting interpretation of the logo, Richie.
It could also be like a baboon, I'm not sure.
A
Like
baboon!
a baboon's face. Like Rafiki. Reminds me of Rafiki also.
I was starving, now I'm eating till my belly full. From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on a shirt before a centerfold. Devil on my back, target on me daily too. Play for keeps, don't tweet. It's not peace, don't speak.
Hey guys, so I wasn't able to close the vlog last night because I fell asleep while I was playing Overcooked, or my guest left and then natulog na din ko. Wala na siya ko na-close the vlog. So I'm just gonna close this vlog right now. I hope that you enjoyed my last day out into the world before this lockdown, a personal lockdown that I'm choosing to do. I have told my friends not to come over. I am personally not going to go out anymore for the next, let's just say, couple of weeks. See how that goes. And then yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and if you want more vlogs, feel free to catch me here. You know what to do, guys. I'll see you guys later. And also, I'm gonna go straight to vlogging about cleaning my entire house. If you want to see that,
just watch the next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Like a soda can top. To me, this is nothing. Call my bluff and I won't stop when I flex.